What's up guys, today I will be doing an unboxing video, so shall we get into it? First up, Peter Storm box. Yep, big, but these are, well, you know why, these are shoes. Open these up. Got this, Peter Storm. If you might be seeing a sneaky peek around there, but probably, maybe not, if you don't know. Oh my god, save this shoe out. These look so cool. My guy, I love these. Get the box. Useless now. These look fire. Look at these. My god. Oh, for God's sake, why does every shoe have this? My hand's stuck. Oh, great. Ow. Ah. Yep. This. Why? Do you even need it? Now, time for the great reveal. Should I put these shoes on? Probably should. Oh my god, these shoes are like comfy and nice. Look at those, bro. They fit me perfectly. Useless. Now my leg hurts, but I really don't mind if it hurts. But oh my god, they are so cool. Like, I'm probably going to be wearing this for the whole video. Probably going to be wearing these. Well, let's get to another one. Okay, next thing, gloves. Yeah, gloves. You might be like, oh come on, everyone owns gloves. These are special. I can type with these. I can access a phone, basically. Yeah. If it recognizes a fingerprint on my phone, that'd be nice. I'm gonna try these on. One glove down. Probably make it neater since it will look better if I make it neater, you know. Yep, there you go. Both my gloves on. These are cool. I'm holding the phone with this. It's so good though. The things are so good. Look at that. My shoes, fire. My gloves, fire. These are grippy as well. You want to see them? You want to see them again? There you go. Those are my shoes. To the outro. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.